Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up transferring points from Chase to Partners step by step clearly. To begin transferring points from your Chase account to Partners, log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards account. Once logged in, you will see your rewards balance on the main dashboard. Select the Ultimate Rewards tab located at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the Transfer to Travel Partners option. Click on this option to view available partners. You will see a list of airline and hotel partners you can transfer points to. Select the partner you wish to transfer points to from the list. After selecting your partner, review the transfer ratio for points. Ensure you're familiar with any specific requirements for the transfer. Next, click on the Transfer Points button. You may need to enter your loyalty program account information for the selected partner. Follow the prompts to link your loyalty program account if you haven't done so already. Once linked, specify the number of points you would like to transfer. Double-check the details for accuracy before proceeding. After confirming the details, finalize the transfer by clicking on the Submit button. A confirmation will appear, indicating that your points are being transferred. Remember that transfers are typically instant but may take some time for the partner to reflect the points. Keep an eye on your partner account to verify the points have arrived. You can now use your transferred points for rewards in the Partners program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.